She's crazy. We need to go get some of that Christmas wine, Clay.
Yep. Alcoholic.
We could go tomorrow to Ashley Furniture and get the new couch and then go to the wine store. Are you videotaping?
I wouldn't do anything like that.
What kind of Christmas wine?
It's a local vineyard, Dennis Wine, and they make this Christmas wine that's amazing. It's really sweet though.
Miley. Miley.
Tito,
Whip,
look at
whip,
you.
whip.
Tito.
Oh.
It's not the
What?
stuff they call the first frost.
Hey, oh.
It's just got Christmas wine. It's really good, but they only make it at Christmas time.
Calm down.
Tito, look at you. Your Christmas puppy. Oh, Toodle, show Daddy your bow. Aw, cute. Cute. Take some pictures of me and Hannah. I don't have a good one with me and her.
Okay.